The topic of making money with a 3D printer has become incredibly popular recently. On social media, you constantly see claims like, "I bought a printer, printed keychains, and orders started pouring in." Or, "My 3D printer is printing money while I sit at home." Let me be very clear. Most of these stories are not realistic. I don't want to sell dreams in this video. I want to explain where you can make money with a 3D printer, where you usually can't, and what I've personally experienced and observed. This is not a motivation video. This is a reality check. First, let's clarify one thing. A 3D printer does not generate passive income. There is no such thing as print it once and let it sell itself. Many people come in with this expectation and end up disappointed. Products like keychains, nameplates, phone stands, or desk decorations are made by thousands of people. Etsy, Amazon, Instagram, they are all full of them. Competition is extremely high and prices are very low. There is also another issue. People usually talk about revenue, not profit. They say, "I got 20 orders today," but they don't include filament, electricity, failed prints, packaging, shipping, and the time spent. A 3D printer itself does not make you money. The right business model does. If your plan is to buy a printer, download random models from the internet, print them, and sell them, your success depends mostly on luck. You have to be very lucky. Recently, I helped a friend who owns a car wash. He had a problem with control buttons, and I designed a simple 3D printed solution. In return, he gave me a significant discount on a service. That kind of moment can happen, but that's not a business. In this video, we are talking about sustainable concepts. So where can you realistically make money? First, selling designs. If you can design, this is one of the cleanest paths. You sell STL or 3MF files. No printing, no shipping. But it's not easy. Good designs require technical knowledge, constant updates, and they can be copied. This is not a upload one file and forget it type of work. Some people think they can just let AI do the design. At least for now, that's not realistic. If you want to go this route, you must really know a 3D design program. No one pays for very basic designs. Second, personalized products. Even a keychain can work here, but the difference is critical. These are not mass-produced items. They are custom solutions, custom sizes, names, or specific needs. This does not scale well, but it has value. Fewer customers, more effort, and more reasonable pricing. This approach can generate income, but it is not easy to sell. Third, niche products that most people avoid. This is where real opportunities often exist. Products that are time-consuming, require precision, and look uninteresting at first glance, but solve real problems. My backgammon and chess sets are examples of this. Most people don't do it because it takes time, patience, and leaves no room for mistakes. That's exactly where differentiation happens. A large chess set can sell for at least 80 euros. Yes, costs are higher, but so is the effort, and competition is limited. This is a niche market, and you must reach the right audience. Now let's talk about 3D scanning. Recently, another trend appeared. Buy a 3D scanner, scan everything, print it, sell it. Yes, 3D scanning can be used professionally, but there are two important realities. First, good scanners are not cheap. Useful systems cost thousands of euros, plus a powerful computer and specialized software. Second, a scan is not a finished model. It must be cleaned, edited, and often remodeled. This also requires strong technical skills. In short, 3D scanning can be an opportunity, but it is not easy money. Let's talk about costs. The most expensive thing in 3D printing is not filament, it's time. Failed prints, wasted hours, calibration, trial and error. Filament looks cheap, but failed prints are expensive. So what did I personally gain from this? Experience, product development skills, patience. Did I make money? Yes, but it's not a salary. it's a side income. A 3D printer is not a hobby for me, and not my main income either, but when used correctly, it is a powerful tool. Who does this make sense for? People who can design, who don't avoid technical details, and who can think in niches. Who should avoid it? Those expecting fast money, copy-paste sellers, and people who think, if everyone sells it, I will too. Buying a 3D printer is easy. Making money with it is hard and requires patience. If you want, I can create separate, more technical videos about design sales, product-based income, or 3D scanning. If this video was useful, consider subscribing and write in the comments, what do you want to do with a 3D printer? See you in the next video.